Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things finance and investing. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: index funds. If you're new to investing or looking for a reliable investment option, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll delve into what index funds are, why they are a popular choice for investors, and how you can start investing in them. So, let's get started. So, what exactly are index funds? Well, an index fund is a type of investment fund that aims to replicate the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. Instead of relying on individual stock picking, index funds provide investors with a diversified portfolio that represents a broad section of the market. This means you're investing in a basket of different stocks rather than trying to choose winners and losers. Before we continue, please subscribe to the channel and watch till the end. One of the primary reasons index funds have gained so much popularity is their passive investing approach. Unlike actively managed funds, where fund managers aim to outperform the market, index funds follow a set it and forget it strategy. They aim to match the performance of the underlying index, rather than trying to beat it. This passive strategy often leads to lower fees compared to actively managed funds, making them more cost-effective for long-term investors. Now that we understand the concept of index funds, let's discuss how you can invest in them. The process is relatively straightforward, and here are a few steps to get you started. Step 1. Research. Begin by researching different index funds available in the market. Look for reputable fund providers and compare their offerings. Pay attention to the fund's expense ratio, historical performance, and the index it aims to replicate. Step 2. Choose a brokerage account. To invest in index funds, you'll need a brokerage account. Look for a trusted and reliable brokerage that offers a wide range of index funds. Consider factors such as account fees, user interface, and customer support when selecting a brokerage. Step 3. Open an account. Once you've chosen a brokerage, follow their account opening process. This usually involves providing personal information, completing the necessary forms, and funding your account. Step 4. Fund selection. With your brokerage account set up, it's time to select the index funds you wish to invest in. Consider factors such as your investment goals, risk tolerance, and desired level of diversification. Remember, index funds are available for various market sectors, countries, and asset classes. Step 5. Invest and monitor. After selecting your index funds, allocate the desired amount of funds and make your investment. It's important to regularly monitor your investments to ensure they align with your long-term goals. Rebalance your portfolio periodically if necessary. Investing in index funds provides a multitude of benefits for both beginner and experienced investors. Firstly, they offer instant diversification, reducing the risk associated with investing in individual stocks. By investing in a broad market index, you're spreading your investment across multiple companies and sectors. Secondly, index funds are known for their low fees. Since they passively track the market rather than relying on expensive fund managers, the associated costs are significantly lower. Over time, these lower fees can have a substantial impact on your investment returns. Lastly, index funds offer simplicity and ease of use. You don't need to be a financial expert or spend countless hours analyzing stocks. Index funds allow you to participate in the overall growth of the market without the stress of active stock picking. As with any investment, it's crucial to keep a few key points in mind. Firstly, it's important to have a long-term perspective when investing in index funds. They are designed for gradual wealth accumulation over time, rather than short-term gains. Stay focused on your financial goals and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Secondly, remember to regularly review your investment portfolio. As your financial situation and goals change, it's important to rebalance your investments accordingly. Reallocating funds between different index funds can help maintain the desired level of diversification. That brings us to the end of our video. We've covered the basics of index funds, why they are popular among investors, and how you can start investing in them. Thank you for joining us today, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time.